the type. That means you can change the font correctly. The text size 600, make it 1000. Okay. Bold, yes, bold, high. This is the MV, the 3D text. Okay.
Okay.
Look at 3D. It's not obviously seen here because we can section box. See if it exists in the lower floor. Really, I don't remember which active floor.
Things are ground.
Yes, ground maybe. Yes, this is a 3D text. Okay. Obviously, you may take it as a attaching for in the elevations, as a sign. Yes, advertising. Okay. So if I go from tiles, I want to add architecture 3D text. This one. That's 3D text. We are using the same text. Okay, but here, because it's not realistic, this is the default. If you want to change in the text, if you want to, this is the depth, maybe 250, and edit type to change. Okay, they take the order. Okay, if you want to go to 3D,
Things on the first.
Yes, this is the model text. Model text can be seen in any view. Okay, let's go to this text and try to, from annotate, type text. Okay, I want to type the text from here. Edit type. It's a black. It's okay. Line weight. The leader. Very Arial. .5, make it 5, apply, and okay. This is view text. Okay. MV. This is a view text. Okay. If you go to 3D and want to see the text section box, you don't see anything because there is a difference between text, normal text, and 3D model text. 3D model text, it obviously seen in any view in Revit. Okay,
so it's part of the model.
It's a 3D. Okay. But in the view, the text type in the view in plan, you can see in anywhere, especially except this view you type in. Okay, this is the difference between model text and text. Also, annotations and section sign. These annotations like tags in That means tag by category. I want to tag this door. It's okay. This is the door tag. Look, this is the wall tag. A door tag. Okay. Look, this door tag or annotations belong to the current view only. Okay. So you cannot see it in 3D. So this is information produced in a schematic design, schematic diagrams or sheets only. Okay, not in a 3D. Also, there's no information here because we don't have information for this wall type. Okay, or we don't add information to be read from this wall. Okay, Fayaz?
Yeah.
So the text, you may add text. This text comes from annotation. Just a text belongs to the current view you are writing in. Okay. This look. If you see any of arrow like this aligned arrow, that means it brings up a dialog box for you.
Okay.
Okay. It brings up a dialog box for you to just add a type, a property that means you can create your own style. This is like a text style in AutoCAD. That means you can duplicate this and create your own. For example, if we want to create another or text type belongs to our CAD standard, our standard at Zohar, that means I will create this one to be ZFP, stand for Zohar Fayaz dash text style. Okay. Dash 1 to be 1 and 100 in plan. Okay. And this we are going to create this one to be font size to be 2.5. Okay. Oh, yes. Point and a half. Okay, and tab size, sorry. Size, no problem.
2 points.
Enter a value starting from.
This is 2.5 point.
0.5, yeah, sorry. Okay, and tab size, okay, the default. And you may choose where is underline that font type. Yes, this is a font type. Maybe series. We do series PK. It's okay. That means we can create our new type. We don't want this one, we need this one. Okay, and type the text we need as our standard. Okay, Fayaz. So in this case we can create our own text style using this dialog box. Okay, also at the dimension style, this linear dimension style types that you create a linear dimension style belongs to your standard. That means you can create your own standard before starting working in a project. Okay, Fayaz. At the same time, angular dimension type, that means you can create as a linear, angular, radial, or any kind of dimension style you need, or any kind of dimension. Okay. The spot elevation, spot coordinate, spot elevation, just a call out to describe or tell you the elevation of this point. Okay. You can change this one to be another one. Look, this is the default Revit has. This is elevation 0. If you want to change this type, you have to edit the type and duplicate because it is a system family. How to differentiate between system family and loadable family? How you can differentiate? You can't. In a system family cannot be stored outside Revit in RFA file. This is a system family. Okay. Loadable family you can store the loadable family in RFA file, and you can load it from Revit. That means you can insert a loadable family from Revit from load.
Yeah.
Okay, from load or from insert load family.
Yeah.
Load family. Okay, look, you don't have any type except a disk or RFA. But the system family is stored outside Revit. It's stored outside Revit in a Revit template. That means you can insert a Revit template containing some sort of system families you may need. Okay. But loadable family,
that's already on.
So in annotations, just like this annotation spot elevation or elevation spot, it just a system family. That means you cannot import it from outside Revit. You have to duplicate this one and rename it as according to your standard, and then you can change the shape of this system family. Okay. We are on annotations. Look, we have in architecture, we have something called, a model line. This model line, it may be a line used to, for example, it's called in Arabic خط عمل or working line. Working line, you may use to align something between two something. Yani, this is the model line. Okay, the model line can be seen if they called it model. That may be seen here in placement plan, or first or second or whatever. The offset of model line. If you want to chain of model line, okay, this view or viewed in let's see in 3D. Look, this is in 3D. Okay, this is the model line. But if you in annotate, if you have where detail line. Okay, the detail line, you can draw a line you need in the view. But if you want to go to the 3D, you won't see the detail line, because detail line, it belongs to the current view only. Why we are using this detail line? If you have a section, and this section you want to add a specific detail manually to represent a meaning or a special meaning for this detail, you must not use a model line. You have to use the detail line, because detail line really belongs to the current detail working only. Okay, Fayaz? So we are using a detail line especially at detail view. Okay. Look, that means if I add a section, this is section. Okay. In this section, I want to see okay, this one. In this section detail, you want to add some sort of insulation. And it's not written here. You have to use detail line to draw what you really need. For example, these are the detail lines, and you can also attach or offset, or this one, you need this one, and you can have or edit the detail line here. For example, something inside the concrete wall or the other and the wall, but it's not inside the wall already. It's not inside the section by default. You have to add this manually, detailed manually, to and call it, put a call out to describe this detail information. Okay, you have to use in this case the detail line annotation, this detail line. Okay, and also you can add a hatch pattern or something in this detail. Okay. Also the region, field region, Okay, and that means you want to add a filled region from here as a rectangle. I want add a filled region. Okay, and you may close it to this area. If you edit type this background fill pattern, may you choose the fill pattern for this. Okay, and apply.